As we discussed before, not all clients end up as a successful deal. Therefore, we have to overview how many clients do we have to reach in order to obtain our desired number of deals. In order to do that, we have to know our conversion rates. How many reached clients are converted into interested clients who contacted us, and how many interested clients are converted into deals. It can only be calculated either by hand or using an external tools through analysis. So if you reach your clients through advertising, like Google Ads for example, then you can get those conversion rates from there. If you personally reach them by cold calling, or maybe clients find you instead, then you can analyze and calculate your conversion rates by hand. So track how many was referred to you, then how many contacted you, and how many actually hired you for the job. And then do mathematics. If I was referred to 10 clients and only 5 contacted me, then it is 50%. If only 2 out of 5 hired me, then it is 40%. By adding these conversion rates, you will finally see how many clients you need to reach yearly and monthly in order to get your desired successful deals and earn your revenue that we have planned above. In our example, for us to get 24 successful deals per year, which we set upon from the above section of number 7, we have to reach 120 clients in total per year. That means we have to reach at least 10 clients per month for us to get 2 successful deals per month, statistically. With such rate, we will be able to earn one of our desired scenario revenues from section number 6. Throughout the time, you should always keep track of these statistics so that your conversion rates of leads and traffic stay as precise as possible in order for you to plan ahead with assurance.